cop up there.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, y'all scared me that first one, bro. I was not ready for it. I wasn't ready for it.
That's hilarious.
Should we blow the horn, Houston, and give him kind of a little teaser?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll stand back here.
We're gonna do train horn first, and then battleship horn. That was the train horn. Definitely compensating with something on this. Let's just go to town and we'll have fun with you guys. Come on. There's a cop up there. Hey, if you guys want a battleship horn, I'm gonna link Hornblasters below. Go pitch you one in the cart. What do you think about
That's
it?
sick.
I love that thing.
You want us to blow it real quick?
Yeah, make me go deaf real quick.
Really?
Yeah, go for it.
You ready?
Up to you, man. Cover your ears.
It's gonna be loud.
That is sick,
All of
man.
a sudden you say, when did they put down that railroad track?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all scared me that first one, bro. I was
Really?
not ready for it. I wasn't ready for it.
That's hilarious.
Y'all have a good day.
Bro, that's awesome. Y'all have a good one.
All right, you as well. She's ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, spring it up. We're about to go through the McDonald's drive-thru. This should be interesting. I've seen videos where people throw Cokes on people when they piss them off, so we'll see what happens.
Look at this guy.
No, slow. Look at the guy behind us. Throw that, spit this damn hamburger. Man, we ain't got our food yet, Houston.
Why'd you do that?
So all the guys from Defiant are over at Zaxby's eating, which is across the street. They just called me and said, "Where you at? We heard you blowing the horn." So we're about to go to Zaxby's, circle the whole building, just hold the cruise ship horn down. Ready?
Yep.
Alright guys, so that's going to wrap this video up. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. But for now, we got to get this thing into detail. We got all this mud, we got to get all this cleaned up and all that, because it's a SEMA truck now. It's 100% show truck. It's never going to see rain again. So we got to get it spotless. Hope you guys enjoy it.